The new Galaxy Watch 7 is finally here. Let's check it out. Inside the box, well, you get another box and also the watch itself, and mine is in dark green color. On the Galaxy Watch 7 we finally get some new design changes, at least in the colors. We got a new strap like this, and also the case is like dark gray actually, and it's not black like on past Galaxy watches. On the strap you get these accent colors, and I think they look actually pretty cool. Also inside we do get a magnetic charger like this and some booklets as well. On the front we do get sapphire glass protection, and overall the design actually looks pretty much almost the same as the previous generations, just new colors really. On the back we also get quick release straps, just like on the previous Galaxy Watch 6. Even if the design is pretty much similar to the past versions, all the changes really are under the hood, and it's completely overhauled. Compared to the 4, 5 and 6 Galaxy watches, those were actually pretty much the same in CPU power and pretty much everything else. This gets completely new CPU. And Samsung claims this CPU is actually 3 times faster than on the Galaxy Watch 6. That's mighty impressive, and that will basically help in the everyday tasks of using this watch, and it should be super fast actually. Then also we got a new heart rate sensors. Again, these are completely overhauled. So hopefully finally we will get good heart rate tracking with these new sensors, because honestly on the Galaxy Watch 4, 5 and 6 the sensors were kinda terrible really. Then also we got 32GB of storage. The past Galaxy Watch 6 and previous ones only had 16GB of storage, so you can store much more music on this watch. Also we got more accurate dual band GPS. Again, this should be huge improvement in GPS tracking and just how fast it locks onto GPS satellites. And then also we got a new look on the OS, and you can see it looks a bit different. So it doesn't have this black background anymore, and this is probably very similar. Again, no black background, again very similar. And when we swipe like this, you can see what stuff you got here. So the icons are changed a bit. So you got your energy score as well, and this watch has got now tons of like health tracking features actually, such as HRV actually, and it also can track your metabolic health. I think it even can tell your biologic age as well, and we got another completely new health tracking feature which is called Advanced Glycation End Product Index. From what I understood, this feature basically will give you a heads up if it thinks that you might have problems with blood sugar levels. Maybe it will say you need to check it out. So, but I don't think it will tell you the blood sugar level number itself. Just it will give you heads up, I think. You can read about this feature here basically. This is what the watch looks like on my wrist, and this is 40mm version. I do have fairly small wrists, so it actually fits me absolutely great. And the design of the strap also is very nice looking. And I really like these accents on the strap and on the watch itself as well. Also the watch is fully waterproof, and it actually has got full military standard spec on it, so it's actually a very durable watch. The display visibility outdoors, even in full sunlight, also seems very good. Overall, a very nice looking watch indeed, which also has got incredibly good durability. And after using this watch for some time, you can clearly tell that this has got way improved performance indeed. And scrolling everything is super fast and fluid actually. It's almost not as good as an Apple Watch. Previously on the 4, 5 and 6 they were absolutely dreadful to use and they lagged all the time. However, this one you can clearly tell that it does have this 3 times more powerful CPU inside it. Overall, the watch actually looks really cool, and I will release a full review after a few days. By the way, I'm not even able to set this up watch with my phone yet, as Samsung for some reason hasn't uploaded the Galaxy Watch 7 plugin to the Play Store, so I had to bypass the setup to get it to work. So if you're having the same problem, really call Samsung and complain. This is not acceptable.